this extreme weather what we have now all over the world, USA and Japan, and a lot of snowstorms and floods, heavy rains, and volcanoes wake up, and also there was like earthquakes. This it was September 10 and November 8. After these alignments what we had, there was a lot of earthquakes, and these volcanoes wakes up because there was many alignments, many lines. It was August 12 when we had the Sun, Earth, Moon, and Saturn line together. And then there was this dark energy from nucleus of atoms which moving through each other, this particle, and interact with each others. And this dark energy particle getting bigger. And that's why it can go next one through with next one and next one and next one. And that's why this dark energy, it's not going so much through Earth. It's mass Earth nucleus of atoms, and it activating this Earth. And there's coming energy out, and that's why there is this kind of extreme weather. And like the heavy rains, there's coming water molecule out from Earth up, and when coming down, we have heavy rains and floods. And that's the way it's going. These today physicists and cosmologists, they have a total wrong model on atoms. Total wrong. Nucleus of atoms expanding and recycling dark, expanding pushing force, which have a nature of electrons and photons. These electrons born when these expanding photons interact with this dark energy, which is expanding and which pushing out from expanding nuclei of atoms. And when these expanding photons interact with this dark energy, then born new electron. And these scientists, they thinking about that electron was already there, but it was not there. It was born when they check out what's happening when they changing this light and this good energy light, you know. I'm sorry, my English is not well, but I am the one, I'm the dude who found out how universe really works. And there was these alignments. After this August 12th, we had a full moon, like, of course there is full moon all the time, but next one was September 10 full moon, and September 17 we have like the Sun, Earth, and Neptune. And after 9 days, we had Sun, Moon, Earth, and Jupiter. And like 17 September, there was this Hurricane Fiona, which getting stronger this day. And also Supertyphoon Nandamol, which getting stronger this day, which was like 17 September. And these dudes, the physics, they say Neptune can't do that. But it can, because this dark energy moving long way and meet energy from Sun and Earth, this dark energy. And when this particle go through each other and okay, then we have an energy which can activate in Earth, you know. And that's why Neptune can work hard here, because it's a long way to come here, this dark energy. And after this September 26th, when we had this Hurricane Ian, you remember Hurricane Ian, very strong hurricane, which come in this range way all over through Florida, and same times Super Typhoon Noru. 9 days, 17 was Hurricane Fiona and Super Typhoon Nandamol, and after 9 days it happened again, Hurricane Ian and Super Typhoon Noru. Okay, and then October 9 we had a full moon, and of course there's starting happening with volcanoes, and of course there was also like a lot of these heavy rains, like after August we had this Pakistan, huge floods, huge heavy rains, and this earthquakes was a lot of it after full moon September and after November full moon, when we had a line Sun, Earth, Moon, and Uranus. And also there was rare November hurricane Nicole, and it's getting stronger that day. November 8, it's getting bigger, but when it's coming near Florida and there was not so much seawater, then this wind getting stronger after a few days. But this hurricane Nicole, which was a rare November hurricane, getting bigger 8 November, when we had this line Sun, Earth, Moon, and Uranus. And same happened like 1935, when was a rare November hurricane Yankee. There was line Sun, Moon, Earth, and Uranus also. Yes, that's the way it's going. There is this dark energy, and these physicists, they don't understand that, what's going on. But I know what's going on. You just Google Saturn and go read how this universe really works. Okay, what's going on now all over the world? Lot of these heavy rains, floods, snowstorm, cold, polar vortex is mashed up because of this line, like December 8. Sun, Earth, Moon, and Mars line was very straight. We could not see Mars like 44 minutes because Moon was first there, and behind Moon was Mars. 44 minutes, this dark energy coming here and meet energy from Sun, Earth, and Moon, and after that it's moving through Moon first, and after that it's coming here, and that's why there was a lot of energy which mass Earth inside Earth nucleus of atoms, and Earth activating a lot. And you can see what's happening all over the world now. You just check out what's going on here. And it was something what already predict, like September 9. I have here videos, these YouTube. You just check out. I predict that all. I just asked him, physicists and cosmologists, when you are starting reading what I write. Because it was over 15 years when I found out how this universe really works. And I say you, just Google Savorinen and go my blog, Uusisumi blog, and you can read how this universe really works. Do you really want this physics theory for everything? If you want that, you read what I write. You never get physics theory for everything if you believe in these quantum theories, what you have now, stupid theories, and these Einstein relativity theories. It's so stupid. Space don't expanding, curving, waving, sparkling, or kieru, or whatever. Space is infinity, three-dimensional place which is nothing. Can't you understand that? It is not space which expanding. It is nucleus of atoms which expanding and residing dark expanding pushing force which have a nature of electrons and photons. Can't you understand that is so simple things? But maybe you are scary people and you thinking about we can't expanding. This is space which expanding far away from us. Okay, you don't have a what I can say. I think you some kind of covers, perforator. Let's thinking about new ways these things. If you want to know how this universe really works. Forget stupid ideas. Einstein was wrong. Time is relativity, like Einstein said. But it is not space which expanding. This matter size, it's also relativity. If I drop this down, everybody today say these things moving that way where's Earth center. But it is not moving that way. Sun don't moving when you look. You think about, okay, maybe sun move. But you know already, it not move, it illusion. And when I drop that, this one not moving that way where is Earth center. It pushing away from expanding Earth center, same way what matter and light expanding. And this floor coming quickly, and this air molecule is expanding, can't pushing this expanding kaukosäärin. And that's why this, what we have here down, moving faster. Because everything is expanding, and that's why this one also moving away from expanding Earth center. And it is illusion. You're thinking about this one moving, that when it's going down, you're thinking about, okay, yes, this moving that way where's Earth center. But it's not moving. It is illusion. Can't you understand? So simple thing. Really? What's going on? Are you all crazy or what? Just Google Savorinen and go read how universe really works. Okay. Cheers. If you loving this video and you tell your friends, check out this man is crazy. It's cool for me. Because I make that video that way. Because I think I have to do something. And maybe I do it at a very angry way. And maybe people laughing for me. And they tell other people and check out this man is crazy. It's not problem to me you thinking about I'm crazy. I just want everybody all over the world know my idea. Because I'm right. And I know I'm right. And Einstein was wrong with this stupid idea about curving space. It's so stupid idea. You can't check out if there is that kind of hocus pocus curving space. Space don't emit anything. You can't check out with science way if there that kind of thing. It is curving space and expanding space. It is not science, you know. But when I say nucleus of atoms expanding and residing dark expanding pushing force, which have a nature of electrons and photons, it is science, you know. We can check out if I'm right or wrong. We can check out. And if I'm right, somebody might find out how we prove that I'm right. Okay, who want to be next Galileo Galilei? Because I think I'm new Copernicus, and somebody can prove that I'm right if you just get the idea how we prove that I'm right. I have a few ideas already how we can prove that. Yes, and I think we can get free energy for us. We're just using lasers, and very far away from these systems, there's coming lasers, and this is something very density matter. And this dark expanding light waves, with what these lasers have, can interact with each other, and we might get new things how do we get energy for everybody. But nobody ever try to find out that free energy if nobody never learn and understand how this universe really works. So just tell my idea about everybody. And I think we can get this theory of everything for physics. Okei. Okei. Olikohan tämä nyt hauskaa? Ei tämä nyt ehkä ollut niin hauskaa minusta itsestänikään ruveta näin helekkarin vihasiksi, mutta kai tässä nyt jotakin pitää yrittää. I just said with my mother language, but it might not was so funny because I was truly angry. But I want to do that video that way. Okay, I hope you understand that. You see what I do. And maybe you understand what I mean. Okay. Just Google. No. Just Google Savorinen and go read how universe really works. Okay, cheers.